I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can claim live rewards on TikTok. So for example, here I'm on TikTok. I'm on the profile section of the app. Now just from the profile section of the app, you want to go to the three-part section up top here. And then you can see there's an option called balance here. They've moved it from settings and privacy into the three-part section here already. So just click on this balance. Now on balance, you'll see this is your balance. This is where all of your money is kept. Now don't pay attention to this. Don't pay attention to this. The one you want is this, right? Of course, live rewards. So just click on that on live rewards. Now let's wait for it to load. Now on here you can see the accumulated diamonds and you can see the available rewards. Now if you want to exchange it or withdraw it, just click on any one of these buttons, right? Now if you withdraw, it'll withdraw to your bank account or whatever you prefer. And on exchange, I think you can get a product, but I'm not really sure about that. You'll have to confirm. But just click on withdraw if you want to withdraw. That is if you do have balance. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.